High in Karma Valley, a remote stretch of the Himalayas near Everest's eastern face, trekkers, guides, and support staff set off with bright dreams of summit glory. They knew the altitude was high, over 4,000 meters, and the weather harsh, but they also believed their experience, their gear, and their leadership would carry them through. Then the storm came, a sudden white roar of snow and wind that rose like a wall around the valley. Temperatures plummeted, visibility dropped to nothing. What trekkers saw one moment was gone the next. Hundreds were caught off guard. Tents that offered refuge turned into ice cages. Paths vanished under snow. When the winds howled, voices were lost. Hypothermia crept in. Fingers went numb. Breath turned shallow. One heartbreaking truth: at least one hiker lost their life. Several others were critically ill from cold exposure. Helicopters tried to reach the stranded, but rescuers faced whiteouts that blocked air rescue. Ground teams battled heavy snow to deliver supplies, blankets, basic first aid. Survivors say they huddled together, shared body heat, watched the storm batter their tents. Some rationed food, others struggled to gather fuel for warmth. There was fear, despair, a constant question: would rescue arrive before someone froze? Authorities later confirmed that many who survived this ordeal walked away physically unharmed, but mentally marked. The shock of being so close to death, the helpless wait for rescue, the loss of trust in judgment or forecast, these are the scars that last. What could have helped? Better weather forecasting, more conservative planning, emergency kits built for worst-case blizzards, knowing when to turn back, understanding that altitude is not just height, it's vulnerability multiplied. If you fly, trek, or ever chase mountains for adventure, remember Karma Valley. It's not just one valley, it's a warning that even the most seasoned climbers can be pulled under by wind, snow, decision. Subscribe to Tragic Echoes so you hear these stories before the cold silence swallows them. And if you won't subscribe, spare a moment now. Leave a comment.